Hi, my name is Dr. Sivasundaram, or Dr. Siva for short. I'm an orthopedic sports medicine physician, and I'm practicing in Simi Valley in Thousand Oaks. I grew up in San Fernando Valley. I was born in Northridge and kind of spent the rest of my time in Granada Hills. I went to UCLA for undergrad, and there I was a neuroscience major and philosophy minor. Then went on to the University of Southern California for med school. Then I went over to the Midwest to do my training in Cleveland, Ohio at Case Western Reserve University. And then finally I finished my sports medicine and shoulder fellowship in Chicago at Midwest Orthopedics at Rush. I really wanted to become a doctor to have that patient-physician relationship. I think it's really a fulfilling thing that you can spend a lifelong relationship with the patient, particularly in orthopedic surgery, where I personally treat everyone from the cradle to when they get older. And so I think one of the most fulfilling things about the physician relationship is the fact that you can do that with somebody and spend your whole life serving and taking care of them. I'm a sports medicine specialist, and I focus in on the shoulder, hip, and knee. That can include things like rotator cuff problems, arthritis of either of those joints. I do have an emphasis in hip arthroscopy with specialized training in that as well. And then in the knee, I treat most athletic injuries, including ACL tears, meniscus pathology, and modern cartilage restoration procedures. I have a very individualized approach to every patient. Every patient has a very unique set of problems and social and societal concerns. And so one of my focuses is to create an individualized treatment plan for every patient, whether that involves getting an athlete back on the field as soon as possible, or getting somebody back to what they enjoy doing, like golf or basketball. And really, it's working with that patient and making sure that they're happy with the care they're receiving. As a physician, I really enjoy that I can tailor the treatment course individually to the patient. And we can do things very quickly at Ventura Orthopedics. And what I mean by that is, for example, if a patient comes in injured and needs a knee MRI, we can do that knee MRI the same day or the next day. And I think that's really powerful. They can then be taken to the operating room in an expedient fashion, and then we can focus on their rehabilitation and recovery to get them back to what they enjoy doing in a timely fashion. I enjoy being a very amateur golf player. I do enjoy weightlifting quite a bit. I go to the gym probably 3 to 4 times a week. Outside of the Southern California area, I do enjoy traveling. Me and my fiance have kind of traveled across the globe. We've gone to the Galapagos Islands, we've gone to Japan, gone to Ibiza. So we really enjoy kind of exploring the world and kind of seeing what's out there. One thing that I do want patients to know is that I do really enjoy treating athletes. In my residency and training, I was involved in the care of a lot of professional athletes, both on the Cleveland Browns, the Chicago White Sox, the Chicago Fire, and the Chicago Bulls. One thing that I learned there is that it's very important to factor in all aspects of care for these athletes. And I really enjoy treating athletes at that high level, but I also enjoy treating athletes at every level. And one of my focuses is to get athletes back in the game as quickly as possible.